Hey guys, we are here at the wood chip again. It's one of our favorite places. Mia, what are we doing here today? Why are we here? Huh?
Eating and paying for the motorbikes.
Yeah, so we ordered some parts for the Ninja, and they said we actually didn't order it. We asked to order it, but they said that we have to wait till the 15th to order it because they were doing inventory. So today is the 15th, and we are gonna go and pay for the parts. I think they said 50% we have to pay that, right? Something like 50 bucks. Más o menos. And then after that we're going home. And tomorrow, what are we doing tomorrow? Well, I just told you. Sometimes she doesn't pay attention, I'm telling you. What is that I want to buy?
Oh, motorbike.
Motorbike? Scooter.
Motorbike is a scooter.
Really, when people say motorbike, I think of like a Ninja or that type of bike with gears and people like even a 300cc automatic like that. I think scooter. I don't know. Is that wrong? I have to look up the definition, but I think scooter is a type you sit on, automatic. I think motorbike is like the Ninja. I think. I'm not sure. Maybe you're right.
Okay.
So yeah, we're gonna go look and take some money with us and put some money down maybe if we're 100% sure. Right?
Yeah.
Then we'll have a Ninja 650, we'll have a Click 125 and an NMax. So the question is, we gotta get rid of one or two? What do you think, man? One or two we get rid of?
I think one.
One?
No, two.
Two?
Yeah.
I was gonna ask which two, but there's only two, so. Okay, if only one, which one?
Click.
Click? Okay. So, maybe keep the Ninja. It's a fun bike to ride, huh?
It is.
It's a really fun bike. Get all dressed up in a turtle suit and go on a trip on a Ninja. That's a lot of fun.
Yeah.
So maybe we'll keep it, or maybe we'll sell it. We'll see. We're trying to live a minimalist lifestyle, so I should really sell it. Right?
You should.
And some other stuff too. So anyway, that's what we're doing today, guys, and we're gonna get the food. The food here is really cheap. I filmed it before. It's like $3-4 per person for a nice meal and drink. So
The one that you order is $159.
yeah, so that's $3.20. So basically, call it $4 with tip and everything, you know. So $8 for two.
We'll get coffee afterwards.
That's included, right? It's not? Well, I think because they know us, they always give it to us for free. They include that in here.
Oh.
So, anyway, if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. Like, share, and comment. Guys, really sharing really helps as it increases my audience and all that. So, we're putting the time and effort into this. Just hit the share button. Do us a favor. So this is our food. This is mine. I don't remember the name of it, but I love it. And this is Mia's. She tried something new today. And it's got egg, it's got rice, it's got meat, vegetables, noodles, all kinds of good stuff. So I'm gonna hog in and enjoy. And then actually we changed our minds. We're gonna go pay for the parts for the Ninja. And then also go to the Honda dealership today because we found out it's only 8 minutes away from here. Instead of going home and coming back tomorrow, we'll just do it all in one. So see you on the other end of this meal. So yeah, I'm done eating. Mia's done with her plate. Now she's on to my plate. She's pushed me aside and eaten my food. Nah, I'm just kidding, guys. I told her I couldn't eat anymore, so she's she's enjoying the rest, whatever's left there. What's in that? We had eggplants, seaweed, meat, rice, egg, like that hotness sauce, carrots, all kinds of good stuff, man. I love it. So let's get a coffee and then get ready to go because it's already 3 o'clock, yeah. So we gotta hit the road before the traffic comes up. So yeah guys, this is the place I take my bike for repairs. It's the Kawasaki. It's actually the only place I could find in Cebu that was willing to work on a Ninja 650. Maybe there are other places, but I asked around and everywhere was no. So this is the only place I know. So I ordered the parts. It's gonna take, she said, at least 1 month to get them in here from Cebu, because they only have certain times they actually send it and they don't do it otherwise. So it's part of the life here, acceptance and waiting in line, and no more stock storage. It's part of the life. You gotta accept it. So yeah, so within a couple of months I should probably have my Ninja back and working, hopefully. In the meantime, it's gonna be this Click and maybe, just maybe, an NMax. So guys, they had the NMax here, which is the 2021, and so they have that in stock. They also have the T-Max, which is this one, which is 560, I think, cc's. It's got a really great dashboard. It's a really nice bike, but kind of on the big side. And they also don't have it, but they're bringing in the X-Max probably within a month. So this is the one I really like, and that's 144, and they have it in stock. So I'm kind of tempted to go ahead and get it, but Mia says she likes the T-Max now. Before she's telling me, oh, it's too big, and now she wants the T-Max. So she says I can sell the Ninja and the Click and just get a T-Max. But really you need a small bike for in town. T-Max is going to be too big. So this is the 21, and I think that's the 20. And that's 144,000 for that one, with ABS and traction. And it's a really nice store here. Really clean and lots of different bikes. They have this one here. It's called the Tracer 900 cc's GT. I haven't really seen that one before. And they have the MT10. I've seen those around. I'm not sure how many cc's that is. Another MT10 here. And they have a lot of nice bikes, really nice bikes here. So this is the place to go if you want to get a Yamaha. What is this one? Oh, that's the Mio Aerox. Okay, with ABS. Hey, look, this one is 1200 cc's. That's a nice one, man. Peter would love this place, huh? With all the big bikes. Oh, here's more bikes outside, ready for sale. Lots of NMaxes. I think NMax is probably the most popular model, or most sold model. They have a whole bunch of NMax. Huh, babe? All of these are mostly NMaxes, huh? Very popular model here. So what do you think, yeah? What shall we go for?
T-Max.
T-Max? Okay. Let's just film the T-Max again. So here's the T-Max. And it is... I don't know the technical specifications because I haven't really looked at it. And it's 560 cc. It's a nice bike. Really nice seating area here. This one is damaged for some reason, but for second person here it's nice. Dashboard is really nice. I don't know if you can see that there. Nice. Feels like a really nice bike. Sturdy.